Hello everyone, welcome to Chadani Solution. So today, let's learn how to cancel your Go High Level free trial. So as you can see here, you cannot see the billing or there's no payment method. So to think that you've already input your credit card, so just go here, just select this option, switch to agency view. So you might have um yeah, so after switching, go to settings, then go back again to billing. So here you can now see the I want to modify cancel subscription. See more. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.